anyone randomly. You can look at me, you can look at the camera, but
Okay.
just generally natural. It just
Okay.
has to look natural.
Sure.
Okay. So please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Wai Kit, and I'm from Lumen Technologies. I head the Alliances and Connect Ecosystems function for Asia Pacific.
Welcome, Wai Kit. Wai Kit, I have a few questions for you as per basis on your experience. First, as you look ahead to 2026, what are you actually spending time on when it comes to AI inside your organization? What's genuinely new compared to even last year?
Well, we are progressing from experimentation to operational readiness and applying that across the organization. So this year we have established an AI Infinity community where representation from different business units, organizations are coming or volunteering their ambassadors driving this initiative. And I think it's very important to be operational ready, to have trust, resilience, and all the necessarily approach and guardrails in place as we build out these capabilities within the organization.
Very, very interesting. Now that AI is moving beyond pilots and into everyday work, what's been the hardest part to get in your organization?
Well, I think this applies to every organization, not just in Lumen. Having clarity of what you want to accomplish with an AI model or agent is important, and having clarity around who is accountable for the outcomes is important. And I think that's something that establishes the foundation, and it's important for success.
Perfect. From where you sit, what's one AI trend or shift in your sector that leaders should really be paying attention to over the next year or so?
I feel that the fundamental shift towards agentic and decision making, autonomous decision making with AI agents is going to fundamentally shift the way we operate and the way we look at AI traditionally. And that's something that I believe leaders should pay attention, because like what I mentioned today in the vision talk, when you have autonomous decision making and automation, it amplifies risk. And that's something that should be considered carefully.
I completely agree with you. Now, this is a question not from experience perspective, more from a event perspective. With so many AI conversations happening everywhere, why do events like CDO Vision still matter? What are you personally hoping to take away from being here this year?
Well, first off, I think, as I mentioned, we are moving from theory to execution. So having a community of practitioners and experts, like in this CDO event, is helpful. We can share experience and know-how and be able to leverage on each other to adopt best practices.
Thank you very much. It was lovely connecting with you, Wai Kit.
Thank you.
All the best, and please catch around. We have a networking dinner, lunch, breakfast that's here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Please enjoy.
Is all ready to record?
Anything is ready.
It can record.
Because your talk was the first talk.